How to fix iMessages cannot receive in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on messages app. And here you can turn on or off your iMessages. After turning on or off your iMessages, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. Restart your device, it can fix minor glitches. Now swipe this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then go back to your home screen and open settings and click on general. And then scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.